Imagine speaking a language where words are shaped by tongue clicks. In southern Africa, languages like Xhosa and Zulu use click sounds, a feature almost unseen elsewhere on Earth. These clicks aren't just quirky noises, they're full-fledged consonants, created by pressing the tongue against different parts of the mouth and releasing it to make sharp, distinct sounds. Interestingly, it's thought that clicks may be among the oldest speech sounds ever used by humans, offering a glimpse into ancient ways of communication. These rare sounds serve vital roles, distinguishing meanings and adding musicality to speech.